to make it go faster than the standard 25 kilometers an hour. Holding the plus or minus button until it goes into the settings menu. You'll see it flashing and you'll see the setting menu. Go to number 6. See. And then you'll see the current 25 kilometers is the fastest speed, and then you can change it from here, for instance, to 35 kilometers an hour. To save it, just hold down the plus or minus. It'll go back to the normal screen. There you have it, and just set it, reset it, or change it back. Hold the plus and minus till this comes to the setting screen. Go to 6, and then you can change it back to the 25, and then hold down the plus and minus.